Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with a great and very informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, happy Sabbath day. Hope everybody meditate, pray, have love and compassion for our fellow men's and women's melanated people. Right now we need love. Right now we need unity. We need compassion for each other. We need compassion for our women. We need compassion for our men. And most of all, we must have compassion and love for our children, because the devil is at hand. He's ruling right now, and his kingdom is falling. And we must come together as one divine family, one divine love, one divine compassion for each other. That's right, family. But family, we're going to cut this video short. Peace, love, and happiness to all the melanated family. Although listen to this video, please subscribe, put up the likes and shares, and stay tuned for the next video live stream. Happy Sabbath day. Shalom, shalom, assalamu alaikum.